Good morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily What Sold video, and right after this, the preview of today's WhatNot Nooner auction, the postcards in those lots. You could watch the What Sold or just skip forward to that. Whatever. You're an adult. You can do whatever. Won't hurt my feelings. So we had 15 orders, 108.99. And before we get into that, the request for a case, item not received case that was open 18 months after I shipped the item. eBay took care of that, no problem. They were clueless how that even happened or could happen. And then they also closed a case from India that shipped out 3.5 months ago. So that's nice. So if you ever get those wacky way out of the return deadline, contact eBay. I just went through the Facebook Messenger and it was taken care of. So yeah, it's just pretty freaking annoying that even happens. So anyway, 15 orders, 108. First is Las Vegas, Nevada, Luxor Hotel Casino Resort. This is a continental size 4x6. Came in the auctions from last August, $299. This one is Ellenville, New York, Hanging Rock Falls, Upper Falls, 1908 Falls, $899 for that card. Next is, what is next? Next is Valentine's. To My Valentine, heavy embossed Cupid hearts. I could have put airbrushed on here because that's what these were. Not my price, but $4.99 is what I got on the best offer. This is Wilmington, Ohio, North-South Street, 1910. Has a crease there. Rounded corners, missing stamp. Still got $10 for it. Next is Northwood Narrows. This is New Hampshire. Johnson's Dairy Bar Ice Cream Roadside. 1950s old woody car there. So a little, I guess, ice cream stand type of thing. Let me see. That's the back. Good Eatin' Place. Good to know. $13.11 on the best offer. San Antonio, Texas. Almost Dam. Number 2. Hope I have this card. I've not checked yet. One time I had the exact same view. I didn't have it. So I'll have to wait and see. $4.99 for that card. Been up for 8-10 years. San Antonio, Texas, 1968 World's Fair Hemisphere Artist Concept. Got stacks and stacks of different ones from the Hemisphere. And only a few have sold. Also came in last August's auctions, $3.99. Next is San Antonio, Texas, 1968. Just a different view. This is the monorail or mini monorail, whatever you want to call it. Mini monorail, $3.99 for that one. Came from the same place. Savannah, Georgia, the Confederate Monument, 1907. $8 on a best offer on that one. Benton Harbor, Michigan, Miniature Train, House of David, 1912. I think someone made me an offer on this card and I ignored it. And the reason I ignored it is looked like they got negative happy there for a while, a year ago or so. So I just ignored it, and here they came and paid full price. So let's see how that turns out for me. Next, another one of those state maps sold. So I'm going to have to relist this soon. Probably maybe bump up the price 50 cents or $1. They're nice looking cards. I just have so many of them. I'm happy with $1.99 on them. And that's what this one brought. $1.99. Next is Buena Park, California, Knott's Berry Farm dining room. RPPC, real photo. Man, look at that crowd to get into the dining room. Holy crap. Must have been some good chicken. $8 on a best offer. Next is Coney Island, New York, Helter Skelter Ride, Luna Park, 1909. Coney Island's one of those amusement parks. They will all sell eventually, just some are slower than others. $7.99. Next, Wilmington, North Carolina, Battleship USS North Carolina on Cape Fear River. That's an impressive view. This big ass battleship in the downtown area. Pretty cool. $5.99. Have one left. This is World War II era barracks in the Reception Center, Fort Bragg, North Carolina. $8 on a best offer. Santa Cruz, California, Sea Beach Hotel, Trolley's Beach Bathers Boardwalk. That's a lot of B's. Looks like there's a crease in the center, but pretty nice looking card. Well, there's some ink stuff, but a distinguished card, we'll say that. So yeah, that's it for eBay. Had a couple airplane cards sell on Plane Cards site. Nothing really spectacular. And again, we have our 12 o'clock noon postcard auction on WhatNot. Yeah, I took from cherry pick boxes, so we'll go over that right now. So 12 o'clock noon Eastern. I have no idea how this will turn out, but we got fish with some nice installment cards, but really nice old fish. 15 or 16 of them. 15 dogs with some real photos. 15 real photos, all of missions in Colorado. Yeah, the Colorado missions. How about California? California missions. 15 of them. 15 car automobile advertising from the 60s and 70s. And these have, at least most of them have the dealer information on the back. 15 nicer linen 1940s, 50s gas stations. All these have a gas station, gas pump somewhere in them. So 50s, 60s gas stations. Another lot of real photos. I think these are almost all Washington State, but 15 real photos. 15 actresses' homes out in California. I believe they're all linen. So 15 of those. 15 nicer cards from West Virginia. I think I saw one chrome. Looks like the rest are linen. But West Virginia. 15 lighthouses. Some chrome and linen and some earlier ones. That's a really nice one that went by. So 15 lighthouses. Another lot of real photos. I think these are from all over the place. Some more missions, desert, but 15 more real photos. 15 dressed animals. These may all be Alfred Manzer, but 15 dressed animals. Again, there's really 16, but I'm calling it 15. 15 Disney World and Disneyland, more uncommon. They're still probably common, but your nicer views that aren't seen all that often. Some pre-opening Disney World, some rides that have been closed. So 15 Disney World, Disneyland. 15 artist signed, all by Ellen Clapsaddle. Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, St. Valentine's Day, or yes, maybe. What was that? St. Patrick's Day. Some more Christmas. So these are all signed, except for that one. That doesn't go that one. Those are all Ellen Clapsaddle signed cards. 15 of them. Another lot of real photo postcards or PPCs. 15 of these. There. 15 of them. 15 entertainers. Elvis, whoever that lady is. Another Elvis. Some are continental size. Some are not. Decent amount of Travis Tritt and some other country singers. 15 entertainers, some continental, rest are standard size. 15 linen era and earlier, some white border era desert, cactus and desert views. 15 of these. Viewers request on those. And a reminder, if you have a request, just send me a message on Instagram or on YouTube, and I'll do my best to fulfill them. But here's another lot of 15 real photos. They might all be Texas. So, yeah, I think they all might be. Maybe. Most of them are Texas. So, 15 real photos. Just a general mix lot here. We have some restaurant interiors, street views, beach houses, street views, more street views, motel, boardwalk, nice street. Yeah, a lot of nice street views. Here's a real photo and another real photo. 15 linen era motels. Well, there's a chrome. So these are all motels, some chromes, some linen. 15 motels. Another lot of real photos, real photo postcards from various areas. We got some dams, Hollywood Bowl, stuff like that. 15 real photos. 15 North Carolina cards, linen and earlier, all areas in North Carolina. 15 postcards with women, numerous real photos in here, but 15 women on postcards. 15 real photos, all from Utah. So 15 real photos, Fat Fingers, Utah. 15 large letter greetings from various places. Some nice ones in here. 15 large letter greetings. 15 weird. I'll call these weird cards. They're 15 just kind of don't fit into any category, but just weird cards. 15 of them. And to finish out, 15 real photo postcards. I think they're all Virginia, but pretty sure they are. But 15 more real photo postcards, Virginia. I'm an idiot. I mean, I've always known I'm an idiot, but I had those on the little screen the whole time. I hope you like looking at my desktop. I'm still tired. I didn't sleep much. So anyway, you'll get a better look today at noon. You all have a good day. I'm an idiot.